Hey guys, welcome to Dig or Don't Dig. We made it to number 3. This one, we've got 2 detectors. I've done one with the Equinox, then Buster saw what I was doing, so he wanted to do one with the X-terra 305. So we've got 2 lots of targets. It's only fun, don't take it too seriously. You know, if you're going to say you would have done it anyway, then you would have done it anyway. It's just for fun. Up there in the video there will be a little eye. Press that, vote yes or no, dig or don't dig. And that's it. If you don't see the little eye because of the device you're on, just leave it in the comment. Would you have dug or would you not have dug? Just for fun, something a little bit different. But enjoy, and we'll see you in a second. Dig or don't dig then? Hey, this is complicated. Dig or don't dig? Vote now. I'll leave a comment. Right, X-terra 305. We'll do a dig or don't dig with this one. Can you see that? Can you hear it? It's like a little mole anyway, Buster. Right, dig or don't dig? Yay or nay? Leave a comment or vote now. Right. Congratulations if you said dig. You've won 20 euro cents. Slightly awkward. You said dig, you won yourself top of a bottle of Stella. Congratulations. That was good, wasn't it? Fun. Good old Buster. He's like a little mole. He digs all sorts. But this is Buster's roundup. From what he found, I was just concentrating on doing something for you guys, little digs or don't digs. But Buster got his head in the sand and he was digging all sorts. But this is Buster's roundup. Buster's finds.
That's a firm object turned out to be a large
1,
bird.
2,
so you're not needed to
20, 40, 50. 60, £3.70, 1 bit of bling, earring,
So let's go number, Roger.
and 1 ring. That was Buster's roundup with the X-terra 305. He's absolutely loving it on the dry sand. He does. He's like, he gets his head down and off he goes, and he's digging loads. But another ring for Buster. If you're enjoying this video, there's one of the older dig or don't digs up there, and if you've not watched this channel before, there's a video there you want to watch. Stick around, have a look round, have a look through the playlists. Subscribe would be nice. Until next time, we'll see you on the beach somewhere soon. Take care, bye bye.